Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Moneydance step by step clearly. Open Moneydance and create a new file. Go to the Accounts section. Click on the plus icon to add your bank accounts. Select the type of account you wish to create. Enter the account name and initial balance. Now, navigate to the Categories section. Click on the plus icon to create budget categories. Identify the main expense categories such as housing, food, and transportation. For each category, enter a realistic monthly budget amount. Next, proceed to the Budget section in the side menu. Choose Create Budget to start a new budget period. Select the time frame for your budget, such as monthly or yearly. Now, assign your previously created categories to this budget. Set budget amounts for each category based on your earlier estimates. To track spending, go back to the Transactions section. Record expenses as they occur by selecting the correct account. Enter the transaction details, including the amount in category. Monitor your progress regularly by checking the Budget section. Adjust budget amounts as necessary based on changes in your spending habits. Use reports to visualize your financial health over time. Review your budget at the end of each period to improve future planning. With consistent use, you'll gain better control over your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.